Welcome back, travelers. In today's adventure, we travel to Six Flags Great America in Janine, Illinois, and catch one of their 50th anniversary shows. This is their nightly drone and fireworks spectacular set to music with the 50th anniversary theme. Come along with us as we watch their nightly drone and fireworks show.
Coffee stain on my old passport, smells like stories I can't tell.
Roller bag chasing through the terminal, shoes untied, you're laughing hard. We trade seats for window magic, the clouds stack up like a postcard.
We got a ticket to every road, every ride, every day. Hands up high, let the world spin wide. I'm a runaway heart, you're a fearless smile. From the gate to the gate to the breaking door. Love feels like an amusement park.
The countdown is almost over. Momentarily, 50 years of magic and pure excitement collide in memories in motion. Tonight, Six Flags Great Day. Little did I know, it would turn out to be a day to remember.
Hey guys, I'm bored. I don't want to waste our summer away. I want to do something fun.
Me too. What are you guys thinking?
I don't know.
I know. Let me see if Mom will let me borrow the car. We could all go down to Great America. That's a great idea. I love it. Let's go. All right.
There's so many days in a year, just so many laughs and tears. Only so much time to show someone you know just how you feel. Great America, maybe a great day is just what you need this year. Give me a great day, a day to laugh and live, a day to have, a day to
Okay, what should we do first?
Part of me wanted to run right to the eagle, but tradition is tradition.
I know. Let's start at the beginning. The carousel.
All right.
I love that idea.
Let's go.
I'll race you. And wait for me.
See the carousel, turning around and around. There is a fantasy. Take a ride and see. It takes us so long as it spins to a song. It's a daydream. Can you come along now?
Our day in the park had just begun. After our ride on the carousel, we knew it was time to chase some thrills. We thought we were prepared, but then we came face to face with the demon.
To live your life better, take a little time for meditating. House is waiting, he's a demon. It's time to change your mind, 'cause soon you're gonna find out you're on a trip in the grip of a demon. Have you ever seen a demon? Have you ever heard him scream? Is a demon what he sees, or just a bad dream in your mind? You're gonna find out. So if you live brave, gonna see the demons escape. You see they do. You're only through for the demon. Didn't we tell you the demon can smell you? You're delicious, delicious. Demon. Don't look over your shoulder just when you're feeling bolder. He'll be there in the air. A demon so demanding, so have this understanding that you're gonna die. You're gonna find out. He's a demon. He's a demon. He's a demon. He's a demon.
After surviving our run with the demon, we decided to chase a few friendly faces, and I knew just where to find them.
Keep your eyes on that big world outside. It's a fact, stand about, and don't look back. This is the time for having fun. You're never too old.
knew this would be a day we would never forget. And right then and there, I knew that we would come back to this place every summer.
And we did. We grew up with Great America, and Great America grew up with us. Now, these cherished memories from our childhood are shared with our family.
While these great moments may pass, great memories will live with us forever. Where it's a ride on the carousel, facing the demon, or dancing with friendly faces.
We know we are going to have a great day.
Today and for the next 50 years to come.
Keep on building memories, together making history. This is our part, this is our home, and we know the best is yet to come. We're gonna have a great day to celebrate. Let's be the light, spread the joy and have some fun. Let's do it together. It's our time. We're gonna have a great day.
Thank you for joining us for Memories in Motion. We hope you have a wonderful evening and have a safe trip home.
Six Flags Great America in just a few minutes. Please join us for our 50 Years of Thrills Parade. Stick around and celebrate with us.
That concludes the fun adventures, travelers. Until our next adventure, like, subscribe, and ring the bell notification to be notified about our future uploads. Thank you for watching.
We gotta take it to